Your job today for PWS is to put together two word parts to make a whole word. You will take one word card and look for another word card to put together with the first word card to make a real word. When you make a real word by putting two word parts together, then you'll add the word to your word sheet that you see here. There are 10 blanks, so you'll work to make 10 words. Once you make the word, you need to write it down. You'll make the word, and then you'll read the word, and then you'll write the word down. Like I said, you'll have 10 words. I've already made a word here in this first blank. The word is channel, and I started with this word card, C-H-A-N, and I put it together with this other word card starting with N-E-L, and when I put those two words together, I know that it says channel. Now I'm going to make another word. I'm going to start with O-F here, and I know that if I add F-I-C-E to O-F, I'll get the word office. And you'll notice how in between each word card, there's not hardly any space, and that means that I have successfully made a real word. Now, if I started with FIC here in this blank for number 6 and ended with PIL, then I have too much space, and that's a clue to you that you're not making a real word. The beginning word parts will be aligned to the right, and the ends of words will be aligned to the left. So there should be no space between your word cards like you see on my number 1 and number 2. Okay? You'll make the word, you'll read the word, and then you'll write the word down.